Hi guys, welcome to Buy and Sell YouTube channel. Today we got ourselves an 2017 Nissan Rogue SL with 35,000 miles on it, and this is the one with the, I believe, panoramic sunroof. And we bought this as a quick flipper, and we're just gonna show you a little bit of basic stuff about it, and we'll tell you how much we paid for it and how much are we gonna sell it for. So I think it's a great car. Looks beautiful. I love this color. It's really nice. So this is the exterior. I will show you a little bit exterior, and then I will definitely show you a little bit of interior too. So again, this is 2017 Nissan Rogue SL. Okay, so this is the interior. Wow, this is the one that comes with this brownish interior, and I think it looks great. It's a nice car. See how it looks in the back. Okay. All right. Wow, this door opens really wide. I like that. Let's see how it feels in the back. Okay. Wow, really nice. Okay guys, this is the one that comes with panoramic sunroof. I think this would be a great feature for somebody who's trying to buy and sell it like we do. I think it's nice. It's really nice. Again, this is 2017, 35,000 miles on it, and we just bought this as a flipper. Let's see how the trunk looks like. Okay. Wow, so much space. Okay, that looks really nice. Okay, really nice. Okay, I wonder, does it have this feature? We'll do this. Okay. Huh, guess it does. Again, 2017 Nissan Rogue SL, and this is the one that comes with, apparently this one came with new tires, so that's even better when we do sell it next week. So each week we will tell you all the cars we buy and all the cars we sell. So that was the interior, and this is the exterior, and we'll show you the engine a little bit. We'll do a little test drive, and we'll show you how to flip cars, guys. Thank you for visiting our channel. All right, this is the engine. Looks clean. No oil leaks of any kind. We're gonna turn it on to see how it runs. I think it should be fine. 35,000 miles on it. This is the one that has a push to start button. Okay. Touchscreen. Okay. 35,000 miles on it. So again, we paid 17,500. So we're gonna try to flip on it. I believe Kelly Blue Book, it's right around. It's right around 19 to 20,000 with this mileage and this many cool features. Okay. So again, this is 2017 Nissan Rogue SL with 35,000 miles on it. I believe we paid 15,000 for. I have to double check. Yes, I think it was 15,000. Was it 15.5? I'll double check that. But this is a baby right here. 2017 Nissan Rogue. okay. So far, no sounds. Drives pretty nice, smooth. Again, it's a 2017, so you don't really expect to have any problems with this car. It's a newer car. Again, we got a great deal, and we're gonna show you how to get good deals and how to flip the cars. So. Brakes are nice. Again, 2017 Nissan Rogue. I believe we paid 15,000, around 15,000. They go for around 19. Color blue book's 19 something. So we're really happy with it. I think it's gonna be a quick sale, buy and sale. And this show, it's not about reviewing a car, it's more like showing people how to buy and sell cars. So again, 2017 Rogue,